Hello, Dows. Whew. I don't know if you can see the sweat. Okay? If I back up so I don't know if you can see it. You probably can see it on the shirt. It's real. Okay? I just got done doing my 20 minutes of Zumba. So I wasn't able to do my Zumba every single day. I did it 4 days, and then other days I just like walked stairs or walked around for 20 minutes. Okay. Unfortunately, it's that time of the month, so I wanted to have a weigh-in for you guys today, but I normally gain like 2 or 3 pounds. It really varies between 2 to 5 pounds, so I didn't want to weigh myself and be disappointed because I know I really put in work this week. So I'm going to weigh myself next Wednesday once it's officially gone. And then we can see what my results are. If you guys have done it for a full week of the 20 minutes of exercise, the 64 ounces of water consumption, nothing else, no sweets or anything like that, and eating the 5 to 6 small meals a day, I want you guys to post some of your results. You know, have a video response to this video for your first week, or you know, you can just comment with the number that you lost for the first week. But I definitely wanted to make a video to tell you guys that I'm still going. We're still, you know, we're in it. We're in it to win it. So I'm definitely full force hype about getting this weight off. Okay, so next Wednesday I'm going to have a new post for you guys about my actual weigh-in. I'll weigh in Wednesday morning next week. Okay, so I hope you all continue to be encouraged. You know, 1 week down, you know, only like 20-something more weeks to go. You know, if you're on the journey of losing weight more than the 50, that's the first challenge, you know, then hey, let's take this journey together. But I just want to encourage everyone to keep pushing, keep being the baddest, the best, the cutest, the most funnest, the creative, you know, individual you can be. And no matter which size you are, you know, revel in who you are, love who you are. And I always say, you know, even if you're plus size, you know, dress up, you know, do your hair, you know, look cute, look presentable, so that by the time we lose this weight, you know, our mindsets will already be where we need to be. So I wish you all the best. I shall see you next Wednesday. That was a high note for you guys. But I hope you, that's how you know I'm tired. I hope you guys have a great week coming up, and I hope this week went well. If you have any questions, just email me, b.mccullum25@gmail.com, or you can comment on this video. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye. God bless.